The crypto world is in shock today. Bitcoin has taken a dramatic plunge, but in the middle of chaos, something incredible is still possible. Shytoshi Kusama clears the panic with his vision. Are we about to see a major turn for Shiba Inu? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Something terrible just happened. Just yesterday, the price of Bitcoin took a massive hit, dragging the entire crypto space with it. The reason? Well, as you already might know, the US government transferred a whopping $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. This sudden move caused shockwaves throughout the market, leading to a sharp drop in Bitcoin's value. But why did this happen? It all ties back to coins that were seized by the US government. These coins were confiscated from Silk Road, the infamous dark web marketplace. Silk Road was shut down by the FBI in 2013, and its vast Bitcoin holdings were taken over by the government. Now these coins are being moved, and it's causing a lot of panic in the crypto world. The news about the Bitcoin transfer sent people into a panic. Many are now worried that this could be a sign of more crashes to come, similar to what happened recently with the German government. Just like how the German move shook up the market, this latest development has traders fearing that more of these kinds of actions could further destabilize Bitcoin's price. The uncertainty is fueling anxiety, making everyone nervous about what might come next. But wait, what does Shiba Inu have to do with all this chaos? Well, it turns out this news has led people to dig deeper, and the findings are surprising. Recent research revealed that the US government holds some Shiba Inu as well. According to Arkham Intelligence, the government actually possesses almost 55 billion Shiba Inu tokens. What's even more striking is that out of the over 100 digital assets listed in the US government's holdings, only Shiba Inu stands out with such a massive quantity in the billions. This revelation adds another layer of intrigue to the current market turbulence. Even though the US government hasn't indicated that it plans to sell its assets, we can look at what happened recently with the German government for a clue. When the German government made massive sales of Bitcoin, it caused the price to crash below $57,000 during their peak sales. This shows just how much influence these big holders can have on the market. However, things have changed since then. Bitcoin's price has bounced back, climbing by nearly 3% in the last 24 hours. As for Shiba Inu, its price has remained fairly stable, despite some worries about decreased activity from large investors. Recent data shows that the volume of large transactions involving Shiba Inu has dropped significantly, falling below the $500 billion level. This decline has raised some concerns in the market, but Shiba Inu is holding steady for now. But nevertheless, considering the current price of Shiba Inu, the US doesn't hold that much. So, if the US government really decides to sell all its crypto, the impact on Shiba Inu might not be as huge. Since the US holds just around 900,000 US dollars, the selling pressure on Shiba Inu wouldn't be that significant. However, we can't ignore that the fallout from such a move would still affect Bitcoin. Let's not forget that it is $2 billion US dollars worth of Bitcoin. The market tends to react strongly to any big shifts, so even if Shiba Inu holds steady, Bitcoin could feel the brunt of the impact. But in the middle of this volatility, there's some exciting news on the horizon for Shiba Inu. The team has just launched the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity and is offering exclusive access to beta testing, making today a noteworthy milestone for the project. Lucy, the marketing lead for Shiba Inu, shared fresh updates about the game. She mentioned that the closed beta testing for the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity will kick off this week. According to comments from Shiba Games' lead Angel, this launch is set to redefine the collectible card game genre on Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain, shibarium. Additionally, Shiba Eternity's official X handle, which recently came back to life after a year of silence, hinted at the upcoming launch of the Web3 version. It emphasized that the game is transitioning into the Web3 space and may include decentralized features. The X handle even encouraged players to stake their leash tokens to gain access to the game. It's important to note that this closed beta is just the first step toward the official launch of Shiba Eternity's Web3 version. Once the closed beta is completed successfully, the Shiba Games team will allow public access for testing. Following this, the official launch of Shiba Eternity's Web3 version is set to take place on the Shibarium mainnet, signaling exciting times ahead for Shiba Inu fans. But is this the moment we've all been waiting for? Analysts suggest that Shiba Inu, along with 9 other altcoins, could be poised for a massive surge, potentially increasing their value by up to 100 times. Ava Monaro pointed out that these 10 altcoins, including Shiba Inu, are well-positioned to benefit from the recent approval of Ethereum ETFs. Just to give you some context, the Ethereum ETFs started trading last week after the SEC approved their S1 applications. On the first day alone, these funds saw over $1 billion in trading volume. With Ethereum's strong influence on the overall market, any rise in ETH's price could potentially lead to a similar increase in the values of other altcoins, including Shiba Inu. This could be a game changer for Shiba Inu holders. Right now, Shiba Inu is trading at 4 zeros. So, if it were to experience a 10-time surge, that would push its price up to 3 zeros. In fact, if Shiba Inu saw a massive 100 times increase from its current price, it could remove 2 zeros from the current price. While these predictions show a lot of confidence in Shiba Inu's potential, it's important to remember that there's no guarantee it will reach these targets within the expected timelines. Currently, though, Shiba Inu is down a little over 2% in the last 24 hours. However, this minor setback doesn't overshadow the ambitious goal of achieving a 100 times increase in Shiba Inu's price, which aligns perfectly with a recent statement from Shytoshi Kusama. He mentioned a target of reaching a market cap of $1 trillion. This bold goal reflects the team's confidence in Shiba Inu's potential to make significant strides in the market. As excitement builds around Shiba Inu and its future prospects, the vision of a 100-time surge feels more attainable than ever. Shiba Inu investors may need to hold a modest to significant amount of Shiba Inu tokens to see massive returns if the coin reaches the projected market cap that Kusama mentioned. Right now, Shiba Inu and other major assets are benefiting from a relief rally happening across the broader market. At the moment, Shiba Inu is ranked as the 13th largest cryptocurrency, with a market cap of $10.5 billion. It's also worth noting that Shiba Inu has been one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies of all time. This means that despite the ups and downs, Shiba Inu has shown remarkable growth since its launch, attracting a strong following and generating significant interest among investors. The coin's journey reflects its potential and the excitement surrounding its future. In a recent interview, Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shytoshi Kusama, shared an optimistic view of the token's future. He mentioned that even with its impressive performance, Shiba Inu is still just in its early stages, comparing it to a puppy that has the potential to grow into a powerful player in the cryptocurrency market. Kusama emphasized that the main goal of the Shiba Inu ecosystem team is to make Shiba Inu the first trillion-dollar decentralized entity in the world, highlighting the ambitious path the project aims to take. If Shiba Inu achieves a market cap of $1 trillion, it would become the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, further establishing its significance in the crypto space. This possibility is exciting investors who are curious about how many Shiba Inu tokens they would need to hold in order to make substantial profits, like $1 million, $5 million, or even $10 million. And here's some interesting numbers. If Shiba Inu reaches a market cap of $1 trillion, investors would need to hold approximately 589 million Shiba Inu tokens to realize a profit of $1 million, which would currently cost about $10,500 at today's price. For a profit of $5 million, an investor would require around 3 billion tokens, translating to an investment of almost $53,000. And to amass $10 million, they would need almost 6 billion Shiba Inu tokens, costing more than $100,000. Not financial advice. But nevertheless, this focus on potential profits is not only keeping current supporters motivated, but also drawing in new investors, creating a sense of hope and excitement about Shiba Inu's future. As the Shiba Inu team works toward its ambitious goals, the community remains engaged and optimistic about the token's growth in the coming years. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.